Hey guys, I'm going to be installing my Leupold Picatinny rail with a zero cant onto my Remington 300 WinMag Model 700. To mount it, it's actually really simple, so this is going to be a pretty short video. You just got to make sure, if you notice, you've got two holes here that are fairly close together compared to the other two right here. Well, if you notice on the action, it's got the same setup. Two holes that are fairly close together versus the other two that are a little spaced apart. You can also tell because there is a bit of an angle, not an angle, excuse me, a radius, and they're different on one side versus the other. This one's got a much smaller radius because it's going to be fitting on the rounder part, whereas this one's got a larger radius that fits on the back end. So you're just going to place it and then grab the four provided screws that came with the rail, and you're just going to screw them in. Pretty much with every other thing that you ever mount, you don't want to tighten each one all the way, working from one end to the other. Instead, you're going to tighten one until it's snug, then move to the opposite side, snug it down, work your way in, and then once you've snugged them, then you'll go in, do the same pattern, and tighten it down. So I'll go through and show you that real quick. So I'm just going, it's basically finger tight right now. Okay. Alright, now that they're all finger tight, I'm going to go back and actually tighten it. Now, I'm using one of these. I do not recommend using like an actual wrench because you could over tighten it and break the screws off. You do want this to be snug because you don't want it moving or it's going to change your sight picture on your scope. Alright. And that is a mounted rail. Alright.